Namaste children. Today's topic is subject-verb agreement.
Children, I have made 12 slides of some important rules of subject-verb agreement. Let us see the slides and understand the concept of subject-verb concord.
There are total 12 to 13 rules that we will discuss. The first rule is some nouns looks like singular but they are always plural. For example, cattle, vermin, people, public, poultry, sheep, etc. The cattle are grazing in the field. For example, police have arrested. Police looks like a singular noun but it is plural. Police have arrested 2 men in connection with the robbery. Vermin have infested his clothes. Now coming to the second rule, some nouns are there that looks plural but they are always singular. For example, athletics, economics, ethics, gymnastics, mathematics, physics, politics, news, statics, measles, diabetes, etc. For example, athletics is regularly practiced in our school. Ethics is a branch of philosophy. The news was broadcast on TV yesterday. News is a singular noun. Though news as is there, but it is a singular noun. Mathematics is an interesting subject. Now coming to the third rule. Third rule is indefinite pronouns always take a singular verb. Somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, everything, something, nothing, anything. These are the examples of indefinite pronouns. For example, somebody is in the room. Everyone knows who stole his money. There is something wrong with his car. Is everything right? So, these are the examples. Number 4 rule is some nouns like scissors, trousers, binoculars, tongs, pliers, shorts, spectacles, etc. always take a plural verb. These nouns are plurals. Your scissors are sharp. The trousers have some holes in them. These tongs are long enough to reach the bottom of the jar. Now coming to the fifth rule. It is in a sentence, if a plural noun is there and with the plural noun there is the words like each of, every one of, either of, neither of, then the verb will be singular. For example, each of the brothers. Brothers is a plural noun, but with brothers, each we have the words each of. Each of means one, isn't it? Brothers, though the noun is plural, each of is the singular noun. That is why we have to select the singular verb. So each of the brothers has a different personality. Either of the girls hates cooking. Every one of the men is coming to the party. Neither of the boys likes wearing jeans. So these are the examples. Now coming to the sixth rule. When two or more nouns or pronouns are connected with either or neither nor, the verb should be used according to the later subject or the nearest subject. So, for example, either Arnab or his parents are traveling to Kolkata next week. We have to choose the nearest subject, and in this sentence the nearest subject is his parents, not Arnab. So, either Arnab or his parents are traveling to Kolkata next week. Next sentence, either I or she. So, here nearest subject is she, so we have to select has. She has to feed the baby. Neither Tom nor his friends. Now the nearest subject is his friends. So the verb is like. His friends like her. Neither Tom nor his friends like her. Neither he nor I am guilty. Here the nearest subject is I. With I, we have to choose the verb am. Seventh rule is subjects connected by, as well as, with, together with, along with, accompanied by, etc. They take verbs according to the former or the first subject. For example, I as well as Radha am planning. So we are selecting here the first subject, that is I am. So I as well as Radha am planning to go shopping today. The politician along with the newsman is expected shortly. The politician is. Though the newsman is plural, we have to select the former noun. So the former noun is the politician. That is why we are selecting the singular verb, that is. Mr. Sharma, accompanied by her children, is eating dinner now. Mr. Sharma is a singular noun. So we are selecting the singular verb, that is. Number 8 rule is, there are some words they use a singular verb. For example, distances, periods of time, sums of money, when these are considered as a unit. So we select a singular verb. For example, 10 miles is too far to walk. $100 is a high price to pay. So though $100 is a plural noun, we have to select is, because it is considered as a unit, one unit. 5 kilos of sugar is enough for a week. Ninth rule is, if the sentence is beginning with here and there, the true subject follows the verb. There are 20 students in the classroom. So we are selecting are because the noun is plural, students. That is why the verb is plural. There is a student in the classroom. Now the noun is singular, so the verb is also singular. Here are the keys. Keys is a plural noun, so we are selecting are. Here is the book that you want. Book is a singular noun, so we are selecting the singular verb is. Number 10 rule is, if with a plural noun the word one of the is there, then the verb will be singular. For example, one of the boys is missing from the group. One of the brothers has brought a car. One of the girls want to join police force. 11th rule is, the with adjective referring to a group of people takes a plural verb. For example, the rich get richer. The hungry need food. The unemployed are encouraged to retrain in a new career. The last rule, the 12th rule is, with fractions and percentages, the verb agrees with the preceding noun or clause. For example, 1/3 of the students are in financial problem. 2/3 of the distance has been covered. So you can see here, according to the noun, the verb is changing. So when there is students, we are selecting the plural verb are. When there is distance, so the verb is also singular has. Distance is a singular noun, so the verb is has, singular. Job is a singular noun, so we are selecting the singular verb is. 50% of the job is done. Last example, 20% of the computers. So here the noun computers, it is plural. So we are selecting have, the plural verb. Computers have CD-ROM drives. So These are the 12 basic rules of subject verb concord.
Let us do some more exercises to learn the concept more clearly. That's all for today in this video. Thank you for watching.